To add sounds to your program, click on the Sounds tab, and then you can click this Choose Sounds from Library button, and you can choose any of these uploaded or sounds that are come automatically with Scratch. So find one and click one that you like. So I'm going to choose this one, and in my scripts then, let's say I wanted this sound to play every time that I got sent home when hit by a bad guy. So right here, my code says if touching bad guys, then I'm going to bring in my sound and play this sound until it's done. I'll do the same thing here because that is when I get hit by a chasing bad guy. If you wanted a certain song to play in a loop as background music, you can click on Sounds, upload that sound again. If you have a song or a file you want to upload from your computer, click here and you can upload it. It needs to be an MP3 file. But you do the same thing. You can put it on your stage, except now you just say green flag forever. I'm going to play that sound until done. And make sure you go until done, otherwise it will glitch.